Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to fix your task manager if it keeps on saying, oh, this is disabled by an administrator or whatever. I'm gonna tell you. So you wanna go on Windows, click the Windows button. You wanna go on run, just search up run. And you're gonna type this, yeah, put this in and put in OK and click yes. And once you do that, you would be on system. Normally I added a system one here, but usually you guys are gonna have system. You're just gonna look for policy. Like just like, oh, that's a big one. So like scroll all the way down until you find policy. So, oh shit, I think I lost it. But yeah, once you find policy, you go on system. Okay, once you go on system, ignore the system one, but once you go on system, you want to like right click this and click delete, and once you delete it, then task manager would work. Look, task manager, because I've been seeing lots of YouTube tutorials and none of them work, so I gave up and I tried to do it myself and I just deleted it and it worked. So yeah.